Adaptive audio missing on your AirPods Pro 3? Here's why. It's often due to your iPhone, iPad, or Mac software being outdated. You need iOS 18 or later, macOS 15, or watchOS 11. First, update your device's software. Second, check if adaptive audio is available in your region. It's not available everywhere. If your software is up to date and you're in a supported region, try resetting your AirPods via Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. This forces a repairing and often resolves the issue. Also, ensure location services are enabled for environmental detection. If basic fixes don't work, ensure your AirPods Pro 3 firmware is updated to version 7A400 or later. A stuck firmware update can be fixed by restoring an iCloud backup. Adaptive audio relies on sensors. Make sure they aren't blocked by earwax. Looking ahead, adaptive audio is expanding to more devices and regions. By 2026, expect wider availability and cloud syncing of preferences. However, privacy concerns may lead to opt-in settings in future iOS updates. If problems persist, contact Apple support for further assistance, as there are no known hardware defects and most issues can be resolved with software updates. Don't confuse adaptive audio with spatial audio or adaptive transparency.